How to log out your account in Nvidia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out from your account in Nvidia. First, open up any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in Nvidia. This is the homepage of Nvidia website, and to log out from your account, make sure that you have logged in first. Here I'm going to log in first. Now type in your email on this field here. After that, click on this continue option. Now type in your password and click on login. After you have logged into your account, you will see this homepage, and here on the top right corner you can see your profile icon here. Click on it. Now you will see this sign out option. Click on sign out. And following the simple and easy step, you will be sign out from your account. To log back in again, type in your credentials on this field and click on continue and type in your password here. So this is how you sign up your account from Nvidia. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.